Hello everyone, this is Shrawan sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Maths Academy. Today in this video we are going to discuss one of the most important question, which is from composite function from class 10 optional math. Here we go. Dear students, the question is, if gx equals to x minus 3 and f of gx equals 6x minus 11, find f inverse x. Dear students, in this question we are given two functions. The first function is gx is equal to 2x minus 3 and the second function is the composite function f of gx equals 6x minus 11, and by solving these two functions we have to find out the function f inverse x. That means we have to find out the inverse of the function fx. Dear students, by solving the first function gx and the second function f of gx, at first we'll find out the function fx. Then after finding the function fx, we'll find out the inverse of the function fx. Dear students, the first function is given as gx equals 2x minus 3 and the second function is the composite function of two functions f and g, which is f of gx equals 6x minus 11. Then by using these two functions we have to find out the new function, which is f inverse x. Dear students, at first we'll take the composite function f of gx, which is equal to 6x minus 11. At first we take the composite function f of gx, which is equal to 6x minus 11. Dear students, f of gx, let's break down. F of g of x. Dear students, the composite function f of gx we can write as f of gx equals 6x minus 11 equals 6x minus 11. Dear students, now we'll put the value of the function gx, or f of the function gx is already given. Gx is equal to 2x minus 3. Gx equals 2x minus 3 equals 6x minus 11. Dear students, now by solving this function we have to find out the function fx, and after finding fx we'll find out the inverse of the function fx. So dear students, now 2x minus 3 we have to convert into fx in the form of fx. So let's suppose 2x minus 3 as k. Dear students, let us suppose 2x minus 3 equals to k, because we have to change f of 2x minus 3 in the form of f of x. Then only we can find out the inverse of the function fx. So supposing 2x minus 3 as k, then by solving this we get 2x is equal to k plus 3. So we are going to find the value of x, so that we can put the value of x on both sides, on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Dear students, by solving this we get the value of x equals k plus 3 divided by 2. K plus 3 divided by 2. So dear students, by supposing 2x minus 3 equals k, we have found the value of x, which is equal to k plus 3 over 2. Dear students, now we'll put the value of x, k plus 3 by 2, or we can say replacing the value of x by k plus 3 by 2 on both sides in left hand side and right hand side. Then by solving, we'll get a new function, which is the function fx. So dear students, now the function f of 2x minus 3 will change in the form of 2x minus 3, we have supposed x. So 2x minus 3 directly we can write as k, or we can put the value of x, k plus 3 by 2 in place of x in the left hand side, or directly we can replace 2x minus 3 with k, because 2x minus 3 we have supposed as k. So directly replacing 2x minus 3 by k. So f of k equals 6x minus 11. 6, the value of x we have got k plus 3 by 2. The value of x we have got k plus 3 by 2. Then minus 11. Minus 11. Our f of k equals 2 3s are 6. We can divide, we can cancel 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Then we get 3 times of k plus 3 minus 11. So dear students, in the function f of 2x minus 3 equals 6x minus 11, we have replaced 2x minus 3 by k. So we have got f of k equals 6 times x. The value of x we have got k plus 3 by 2. So replacing x by k plus 3 by 2. Then by solving we get f of k. f of k equals 3k plus 3 3s are 9 minus 11. So dear students, by solving this, we get f of k equals 3k minus 2. Dear students, now the function f of k we have got 3k minus 2. So dear students, this is the new function which we have got by supposing 2x minus 3 as k. Now this k is called dummy variable. That means this k we can replace by any other variable. So let us replace k with x. Then we get f x equals to, so replacing k by x on both sides, f of x equals 3x minus 2. So dear students, if we replace k with x on both sides, then we get f of x equals 3x minus 2. So dear students, we have found the value of fx, the function fx, by solving the given two functions gx and the function f of gx. Now we have to find out the inverse of this function. So let's suppose to find the inverse of the function, let's suppose fx equals y. Therefore y equals 3x minus 2. Dear students, to find the inverse of any function, we have to interchange x and y. So interchanging x and y. So dear students, the function which is obtained by interchanging x and y is known as the inverse function. So if we interchange x and y replacing by x and x replacing by y. So dear students, we have interchanged x and y. That means x we have replaced by y and y we have replaced by x. Then by solving this, we get 3y equals x plus 2. If we move minus 2 on the left hand side, then we get x plus 2. Therefore, y equals x plus 2 by 3. So dear students, we have got y equals x plus 2 by 3, which is the inverse of the function fx. The function fx we have supposed as y, and after interchanging x and y, we have got a new function which is the inverse of the function fx. So dear students, now this is the inverse. This we can write as f inverse x equals x plus 2 by 3. So dear students, this is the required solution. So dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve the two functions and find the inverse of the function. Thank you for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.